Hi friends, this is Dr. Swapnil Nagvekar. I am the founder of Dr. Swapnil's Health Arc. Today's video is on fatty liver, how we can manage fatty liver. So as you all know, fatty liver is very common condition nowadays. 25% of the global population is having fatty liver. And there are two types of fatty liver. One is alcoholic fatty liver and non-alcoholic fatty liver. Alcoholic fatty liver is because of excessive consumption of alcohol, and non-alcoholic fatty liver is because of the faulty diet and lifestyle. So why is fatty liver important? In this video you will get a complete information about the risk factors of fatty liver, the signs and symptoms of fatty liver, which foods we should avoid in case of fatty liver, which foods you should have in excessive amount for fatty liver, the herbs which is beneficial for fatty liver, and the lifestyle changes which will be beneficial for fatty liver. So what is fatty liver? Fatty liver is excessive accumulation of fats in the liver. Fatty liver increases the risk of diabetes, heart disease and kidney diseases. So what are the causes of fatty liver? First is viral hepatitis, autoimmune conditions, medication, rapid weight loss, malnutrition. So what are the risk factors for fatty liver? Type 2 diabetes, gastric bypass surgery, elevated cholesterol levels, elevated triglycerides levels, polycystic ovarian disease, hypothyroidism. These are the risk factors for fatty liver. So what are the symptoms for fatty liver? Fatty liver as such doesn't have any symptoms, but you can experience mild vague pain in the right upper quadrant. You can have tiredness, fatigue. On blood investigation, there could be elevated levels of liver enzymes, elevated triglycerides, elevated cholesterol levels. Ultrasound is the best investigation to see for fatty liver. Fatty liver is a reversible condition provided you have a healthy lifestyle and nutritious diet. So I'll be telling you now which foods to avoid and which foods to consume in case of fatty liver. So first thing, let's come to which foods to avoid in case of fatty liver. First is avoid alcohol. Excessive consumption of alcohol can have a bad effect on your liver and in terminal stage can have progress to liver cirrhosis. Next is added sugars. Added sugars in cookies, candies, sugary drinks, sodas can have a bad effect on your liver because soda can have a harmful effect on your liver and a body. 1 tin of soda contains 10 teaspoons of sugars. So next food to avoid is refined carbs. Refined carbs like pastas, white bread, they elevate the blood sugar levels at a very high rate rather than whole grains. So too much of white refined carbs should be avoided. Next is processed foods, fast foods. They contain lot of nitrates, which has a harmful effect on the body and the liver also. The fructose corn syrup, which is present in the fast food, can have a bad effects on your liver. The next food to avoid is meat like pork, beef, which contains a lot of saturated fats. In next section, I'll be telling which are the foods which are beneficial for fatty liver. Researchers has advocated that we should have plant-based foods containing fruits, vegetables and healthy fats. So we should have foods rich in monounsaturated fats like olive oil, avocados and nuts. Omega-3 fatty acids is also beneficial for livers. Which are the foods which are rich in omega-3 fatty acid like fishes, salmon, sardines, then chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts. You should also have antioxidant rich foods like vitamin E fruits in sunflower seeds, almonds, and lot of quantity of green tea. Green tea is supposed to be have a very beneficial effect on liver. It helps in resolving the fat in the liver, and also it reduces inflammation of the liver. 2 to 3 cups of green tea can have a very useful effect on your liver because the catechins in green tea are found to be very helpful and useful for liver. So what are the liver loving veggies to be included in the diet? Cauliflower, broccoli, carrot, oranges, vitamin C rich fruits, beetroot, celery. So now next section I'll be telling you which are the beneficial herbs for fatty liver. The first is milk tussle. Milk tussle is called the king of all herbs. It is a detoxifying agent for the liver. It helps in flushing out toxins from the liver, especially heavy metals, environmental pollutants, alcohol, etc. The active ingredient of Mictusal is silymarin, which helps in protecting the liver cells and also helps in regenerating new liver cells. So Miltusal can be taken as a supplement or as a detox cleansing tea. Dandelion root is a diuretic effect. It helps in flushing out toxins from the liver and cells. It contains a lot of minerals and vitamins like A, C, D, which has a beneficial effect on your body. Dandelion root can be taken as a means of a supplement or as a detox tea. Next herb is turmeric. Turmeric has an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric can be have in form of a diet or it can have as a supplement. It has a very beneficial effects on liver. So next I will tell you what are the lifestyle changes which are very useful for fatty liver. First is maintain a healthy weight. Have a regular exercise for 30 to 60 minutes per day. And if you are diabetic, have a proper control of diabetes by means of consultation with your doctor. Have a good control of cholesterol and triglycerides. At the end, I would suggest my very valuable liver detox juice. The ingredients are 2 carrot, 1 cucumber, half beetroot, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 inch ginger. Mix all these ingredients in a juicer or blender and have this on a weekly basis. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel to get regular updates. Thank you.